Hello, Disney enthusiasts. It's Michelle here from Disney Uncorked, and today we're diving into one of the most colorful, creative, and downright delightful events at Walt Disney World, Epcot's Festival of the Arts 2025. Whether you're an art lover, a foodie, or just someone who loves a great time at Epcot, this festival has something for everyone. So grab your paintbrushes and your appetites because we're about to showcase our top 10 food items we tasted throughout the day. This is one of our favorite festivals. It is so much fun. The festival has amazing artwork booths that you can see stunning works by Disney and local artists. From classic Disney-inspired pieces to modern abstract interpretations of your favorite characters, there's something to inspire everyone. And if you're looking to take a piece of the festival home, many artists are on hand for live demonstrations and signings. It's the perfect chance to snag a one-of-a-kind souvenir. There's also the Disney on Broadway concert series. Each evening at the America Gardens Theater, you can catch Broadway stars singing your favorite Disney tunes. And if you're looking to get in on the artistic action, the Paint by Number mural is a smashing success with lines so long you'd think that you were in line waiting for the Avatar Flight of Passage. Guests of all ages can grab a paintbrush and help complete a giant mural. It's a great way to leave your mark on the festival. All right, enthusiasts, let's kick things off with the best of the best. These dishes and drinks didn't just paint a picture, they delivered a masterpiece on our taste buds. Number 10, Goshiki Sushi Donut. A donut-shaped sushi featuring salmon, tuna, shrimp, cucumber, and sesame seeds over a decorated plate of wasabi aioli, sriracha aioli, and eel sauce. Now, one of our team members has a mayophobia, which is why there isn't any of the sauces on our plate, but even without those, it was still wonderful. It's visually stunning and a sushi lover's dream. Number 9, to fictional victuals for the Three Daughters Brewing Barrel-Aged Cognac Porter. Dark, complex, and velvety smooth. A drink for the true connoisseur. At number 8, we are headed back to the Craftsman's Courtyard for their Beef Wellington-inspired Croissant Supreme with cream spinach croissant pinwheel, mushroom gorgonzola ragu, mustard grilled flank steak, red wine sauce, and pickled mustard seeds. Flaky, buttery, and with savory beefy goodness. It's a croissant with class. For number 7, we're headed back to Italy's L'Arte di Mangiare for the Italian-inspired margarita with tequila, triple sec, and limoncello. Italy meets cocktail perfection here, refreshing with just the right citrus twist. Saluti. Number 6, funnel cake cart. Cotton candy funnel cake topped with powdered sugar, vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, pink and purple sugar dusting, and cotton candy crunch. Oh, whimsical, colorful, and oh so sweet. It's like eating a cloud of happiness. Number 5, L'Arte di Mangiare. Tricolore. 3 cheese-filled ravioloni with pomodoro cream and pesto sauces. A trio of flavors and colors that perfectly represent the Italian flag. This ravioli isn't just visually stunning, it's a flavorful celebration of Italian pride. Number 4, the Craftsman's Courtyard. Cast iron roasted Prince Edward Island mussels with sautéed tomatoes, garlic, fresh herbs, and served with toasted bread. Now, let me tell you, I do not like mussels, but I absolutely loved these. They were fresh, briny, and perfectly roasted. These mussels were a celebration. Number 3, Pastoral Palate in Germany. Red wine braised beef short ribs with parsnip puree, broccolini, baby tomatoes, and balsamic glaze. Rich, hearty, and unbelievably tender. This one is perfect for a cozy festival evening when it's just getting a little on the chilly side. Number 2, the Painted Panda Hargao Shrimp Dumplings with pumpkin puree and drizzle of chili oil. Delicate, steamy, and packed with shrimp goodness. We weren't really big fans of the pumpkin puree, but these dumplings are a bite of art you'll want to frame or just eat. At number 1, fictional victuals, charred octopus with fingerling potatoes, Kalamata olives, capers, and a romesco sauce. Oh, this dish was fantastic. Smoky, tender, and with just the right amount of char. This one's an octopus's garden of flavor. Now, let's give a shout out to some of the honorable mentions. These didn't crack the top 10, but they're still worth a bite or sip. The chorizo and potato empanada and spicy ajiaco soup and the guava dream blonde ale at Vibrante and Vivido and Canto Cochina. The carne asada at El Artista Hambriento and the Silver River hard lemonade at the Painted Panda. Not every dish can be a masterpiece. Here are a couple that we did not care for but would love to know what you guys think. One was the Rainbow Sherbet Berliner at the Refreshment Outpost. It was like drinking a really sour melted popsicle, but not in a fun way. And the other was the Craftsman's Courtyard Roasted Bone Marrow. This one divided opinions. For some, it's a delicacy. For others, it's just too much marrow and not enough wow. So there you have it, friends, our guide to Epcot's Festival of the Arts 2025. Whether you're an art aficionado, a foodie adventurer, or just someone who loves a good time, this festival truly has something for everyone. What are you most excited to check out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a magical moment from Disney Uncorked. Until next time, keep uncorking the magic, my friends.